This is why you need to start with data analytics before anything else. Hi, I'm Akriti Lal. Before diving into data engineering or data science, it's crucial to build a solid foundation in data analytics. Here's why. First, there are no prerequisites. Anyone can start, no matter your background. We begin with Excel to understand data basics, then move to SQL for databases, followed by Python for data manipulation, and finally, Power BI for data visualization. Once you're comfy with Python and data analytics, transitioning to data engineering becomes a breeze. You'll tackle advanced topics like PySpark, Databricks, and Medallion architecture. And guess what? This solid foundation paves your way to becoming a data scientist. You'll use your skills in predictive and prescriptive analysis to turn data into actionable insights. Start with data analytics to excel in both data engineering and data science. Let's make your data journey amazing.